Good morning, everybody. On today's episode of What Are We Working On, we have a track tension cylinder and an idler wheel assembly out of that unit right there. I pulled it apart the other day to replace some grease seals here in this end of it because the tension cylinder was leaking down. And when I pulled it apart, what did I find but another surprise? See this here? That's not supposed to do that. As you can see, it's eating into the arm there, and it's eating into the housing there, and there's where the bearings used to be, but there's no bearings there anymore. Y'all have a wonderful rainy Tuesday.